Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to enable ANC mode on your headphones EDIFIER W830NB. You have to start by open the application and now go to noise cancellation control. And right here we have two presets for ANC, the medium one and high one. So click on the best one for you and we have it. Also, you can use it by gesture, so click at the one time at the Bluetooth button and now we swap to high, but we haven't medium one. So to add it, go back and click the settings icon at the right top. Then go to control settings and right here, as you can see, we can have only 3 presets. So we should remove one of that. Let's say I don't need ambient sound, and we can add medium. So now we will swap between high ANC, medium and wind reduction. So just press and as you can see I swap to medium. Again I swap to wind reduction and again I'm on a high and then on the medium. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.